Hi pupil teacher, on which today I'll make videos on lesson plan on both physical science and biological science. So my first video of lesson plan is of physical science for the class 8. Here first we'll write the date, then subject, subject, topic, after that class, period, duration, then name of the school or college in which you are teaching. Then we will write the journal objective. The first journal objective is to develop scientific attitude among the students, to develop the interest of the students towards science, to develop logical thinking in students, to make students aware of scientific fact for use in daily life, to enhance curiosity among students towards science, to provide training in scientific method. After journal objective, we will write the specific objective. The specific objectives are based on Bloom's taxonomy. The Bloom's taxonomy is divided into three domains: cognitive domain, affective and psychomotor domain. So the first one is student will be able to define the terms stars and constellation. Students will be able to define polar star. Students will be able to explain constellation. Students will be able to illustrate example of constellation. Now, previous knowledge. Students have basic knowledge about celestial bodies. Teaching aid, the teaching aid which you are using in your teaching material, here I used is chart, roller board, pointer, duster and chalk. After that, the introductory questions. The first one is, what is celestial object? The star, the planet, the sun, the moon and many other objects in the sky is called celestial object. Next question, what happened when the sun set down? It is evening when the sun set down. What comes after evening? Night comes after evening. What is visible in the night sky? The moon, the stars are visible in the night sky. What do you mean by star? Problematic question. This is the problematic question for the student. Some of the student may answer this, but mainly we take 5 questions in introductory. After that, statement of aim. So students, today we will study about star and constellation. After this, developmentary question. My first teaching point is star. Developmentary question. What do you understand by phases of moon? The various shape of the bright part of a moon is called phases of moon. What is crescent moon? A small shaped section of a moon in the sky is called crescent moon. What do you know about the stars present on sky? This is again the problematic question for the students, and the method used is questioning method. Now comes the pupil teacher statement. Stars are the celestial objects that produce their own light, made of hydrogen gas and with a little helium in them. The sun is also a star. It is the nearest star to the earth. The next nearest star is Alpha Centauri. Largest distance are measured in light year. Students will be able to explain stars. Now I've written the distance of sun from earth, that is 8 light minute. Distance of Alpha Centauri from earth, that is 4.3 light year. Light year is the distance traveled by a light in 1 year. The pole star is situated in the direction of the earth axis. It does not appear to move. और यहाँ पे कौन सा मेथड यूज हुआ है? इट इज़ एक्सप्लेनेशन मेथड. और यहाँ पे मैंने मिनिएचर लगाया है किसका? बोर्ड का, क्योंकि ये जो वर्क था ये मैंने बोर्ड में बच्चों को कराया था. नाउ कम्स द इवैल्यूएशन क्वेश्चन. आई आस्क द स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट इज लाइट ईयर. दे विल आंसर व्हाट इज लाइट ईयर एज आई हैव टॉट देम इन माय फर्स्ट टीचिंग पॉइंट. माय सेकंड टीचिंग पॉइंट इज constellation. Developmentary question for this is, stars are made up of, students will answer, stars are made up of hydrogen gas with little helium. My next question, name the nearest star to the earth. The sun is the nearest star to the earth. What is a group of stars called? This is again the problematic question for the student. Now comes the pupil teacher statement. The star forming a group that has a recognizable shape is called constellation. Then Ursa Major, then Orion, then Cassiopeia, and students will be able to explain constellation. The last one is pupil teacher will show constellation to the students with the help of chart. तो मैंने यहाँ पे जो मिनिएचर बनाया है इसका मैंने चार्ट बनाया था और इसके हेल्प से मैंने बच्चों को कॉन्स्टलेशन पढ़ाया था. ठीक हो गया. ये हमारी एक्सप्लेनेशन मेथड थी और जहाँ पे प्यूपल टीचर शो करेगा बच्चों को चार्ट से वहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स विल लिसन एंड ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली. और जो ये मेथड है दैट इज इलस्ट्रेशन मेथड. माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डिफाइन कॉन्स्टलेशन. Now comes the blackboard summary. This is my blackboard summary. Here also you will mention both date, subject, subsubject, topic. This then supervision work. Pupil teacher will ask students to copy the blackboard work and supervise the class. Then recapitulatory questions. These are the questions which the teacher asks to the students from the taught material. The question is stars are made up of. Define light year. What are constellation? Name some constellation. Then comes the homework. In homework I have given draw a diagram of constellation. The one lesson plan has been completed. Thank you.